In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Chase digital wallet. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This works for both Android and iOS, and all you have to do is make sure you have the latest version of the Chase mobile app installed on your phone. Open up the latest version of the Chase mobile app, sign in using your credentials, and what you have to do is scroll down on the main menu until you see a list of all your credit cards. Tap the specific credit card that you would like to use on a digital wallet. When you click any of the credit cards that are displayed on the main menu, you will be able to see their details. On the credit card page, scroll down and eventually you are going to be able to find the account services category. In there, select digital wallets. It should be the last option under account services. When you click digital wallets, immediately you will be greeted with all the available digital wallets that Chase offers. As of today, this should say Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. However, others might be added in the future. All you have to do in here is select the specific digital wallet that you would like to add your credit card to. On the next window, you will be able to manage it. For example, if you select Apple Pay, you have to choose between iPhone or Apple Watch, and you will be able to see a list of all of your credit cards that are able to be added to the digital wallet of choice. Simply click the credit card to confirm, and you will be immediately redirected to the digital wallet that you selected, and the card will be added. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Chase Digital Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.